This wandering albatross chick has been sitting on its nest all winter and is entirely dependent on its parents returning with food. It may have to wait a few days between meals or even a couple of weeks, but at least it's not the only one who's waiting. Albatross chicks need to spend a whole year growing before they're ready to take their first flight. And then they spend several years at sea before they return to land. Coming into land on 3-meter wings takes some practice. Albatross don't have reversed thrusters. The chick is this female's first. She's been raising it for 6 months and has another 6 to go. Her chick is smaller than it should be, a sign that her mate has not been returning with food. He may well have been one of the many that die entangled on longline fishing lines. South Georgia is an ideal place for wanderers to raise their young. But now fewer adults are returning here to nest, and in recent years the breeding population has declined by 40%.